road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, like a band of gypsies we go down the highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world be turning our way. And our way, it's on the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Our life is love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. Wake up, little Susie, wake up. Wake up, little Susie, wake up. We've both been sound asleep. Wake up, little Susie, and weep. The movie's over, it's 4 o'clock, and we're in trouble deep. Wake up, little Susie. Wake up, little Susie. Well, we're gonna tell you, Mama. What are we gonna tell you, Pa? What are we gonna tell your friends when they say, ooh la la? Wake up, little Susie. Wake up, little Susie. It was a teenage wedding and the old folk wished them well. You could see that Pierre did truly love the mademoiselle. And now the young monsieur and madame have rocked the chapel bell. C'est la vie, said the old folks, and go to show you never can tell. They furnished all the apartment with a 2-room road-back sale. The curator was crammed with the TV, diner and ginger ale. But when Pierre found work, a little money come and work out well. C'est la vie, said the old folks, it goes to show you never can tell. C'est la vie, said the old folks, it goes to show you never can tell. Well, the midnight headlight blind you on a rainy night. Steep grade, up ahead, slow me down, making no time. But I gotta keep her rolling. Those windshield wipers slapping out of tempo, keep me perfect rhythm with the song on the radio. But I gotta keep her rolling. Ooh, I'm driving my life away, looking for a better way.